So that window's shot. But this track I think's better. Look. So I think I'm going to use this track.
Come join us in the early on Child and Family Center. See your way to learn, play, and enjoy. The Seaway Mall, 800 Niagara Street, Welland. Online at seawaymall.com.
Hey guys, K109 here. Here's the truck. I know I haven't posted it in a long time, but this is all painted. The roof is actually blue. Doors are finished and primed. This is all covered in plastic because we were gonna paint the inside. So yes, that's how far I am at the moment from the last video. But I had to re-weld this because it was cut out for a radio, a new radio with aux cords and everything, Bluetooth. But I wanted to go back to an old school AM radio that has Bluetooth. It's called a Retro Sounds Fit Radio. So I had to remake it available for AM radio. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just welding it in. It is welded in, but I gotta still grind some more and then weld more, make it flush and all that fun stuff. And then I gotta clean up and all that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. And then I gotta rewash the old cab because initially I washed it for painting. And then my dad caught on to that and I caught on to that. And here we are. So enjoy. Hey guys, so I don't know what I do with my hand when I start the videos, but good enough. I gotta sand it some more just to smooth it. I really don't care. Yes, it's Bondo body filler. Look at the mess, so much fun. It's good enough for me. It's the radio. A cover goes over that whole thing. Why am I doing this? Do something right the first time, you'll never regret it.